Hey everyone, it's Ashley, welcome back. Today I am doing an unboxing or an unbagging for the February 2019 Ipsy Glambag. For once, I am not putting this head to head with the Play by Sephora box. Let me know if A, you even like seeing unboxings, B, if you like the head to head with the Sephora, or you would just like to see them separately. Just let me know so that way I'm putting out content that you guys like. Okay, so I'm just gonna rip in. And already outside of the bag, we have two products. One is from Chella. It is an eyeliner pen. Ooh, it is purple. I was totally gonna donate this till I saw that it was purple. So let me get the wrapping off this and see what this looks like. Oh, so that is a deep, deep purple. It almost looks black, but there is a tint of purple to it. Very cool. Then the second thing out of the bag is a brush. This is by F.A.R.A.H brushes. It is the 50F. It is a powder brush. It's a nice big fluffy brush. This would be good to just powder your face. Ooh, it's nice and soft too, and I'm loving the color. So now we get into the bag, and I'm assuming for Valentine's Day we have this pink bag with some kisses on it. And from Ciate, London, we have a Glow 2 highlighter. And this is in the shade Moondust. Kind of just in a little pan off by itself. I'm gonna donate this. It's kind of a little dark for my taste. It might be nice, but I don't want to dip into it and then try to donate it when I've touched it. Ooh. Okay, so somebody screwed up and I am not mad. So from Chella, I have another eyeliner in brown, and according to this little insert, I'm only supposed to get one in brown. So I got one in brown and one in purple. I actually most recently almost bought the Benefit Rollerball liquid eyeliner in brown because I just really wanted a brown, but I didn't, and I guess I'm glad because I didn't have to shell out the money because I just got one in my Ipsy bag. Okay, this one is super dark as well. So the Chella eyeliners are very dark, which, you know, isn't the worst thing ever, but it's a very deep brown. And then digging in from Elemis, we have the Superfood Facial Wash. It says it is a prebiotic gel cleanser. Very nice. I'll have to give this a try. And then last but not least, from K&C Beauty, we have two all-natural retinol infused eye masks. So these are infused with retinol and gold, and it's supposed to soothe, reduce dark circles, and depuff your under eyes. Love it. And it says that you only have to use it for 10 minutes. Love that as well. Okay, so out of this bag, I'm most excited for the eye masks and the two eyeliners. The highlighter I'm going to donate, but the brush and the face wash I need to try. So all in all, this is not a bad bag. It's definitely not like my favorite bag I've ever gotten, but I like half of the stuff that came in it, and it's not a bad thing that I kind of got a bonus in here, not gonna lie. So that is it for this month's Ipsy bag. I think it was 2 thumbs up. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.